Bahlanganyele lapha babonisana ngokuqiniswa kwevikeleko njengombana samawolideyi wokuphela komnyaka sekathomile nje. Baba ikota esigidi abakhwela abadlula lapha qobe eminyaka. Balwa kibo abosomabhizinisi nemvakashi bukeli.
We are wary that there might be people that try to find a way, thinking that if you go through a smaller airport that there's a way that you can get into another country without having the right paperwork in place or permits or whatever. So we are aware of it, and we follow up with questioning and making sure that we follow the procedures set through the airlines and through CIA.
Ngenyanga epheleleko ufly weentjhabatjhaba we-Eurowings Discover uphaphe kokuthoma ukusuka eFrankfurt eGermany anqophe kuleli Idoyelo le-Kruger ngaphandle kokuphambukela kezinye indawo. Ufly we-Eurowings udoya kathathu ngeveke kuleli Idoyelo.
The message to the people that make use of the aircraft is to make sure that they know exactly what is in their luggage. That's very important, because if something is found, obviously you need to explain.
Aviation security is everybody's business, and therefore we expect that when everyone is at the airport, they would be mindful of those potential hazards that they see, and they will report them whenever they see them.
Imphathimandla zilungele konke okungahle kwenzeke njengombana samawolideyi wokuphela komnyaka athomile nje.